Hi, welcome to Science of Music Under the Hood series. My name is Adam November, and today we're going to talk about wah pedals. If you're a guitarist, you probably recognize the wah pedal as one of the most popular sounds in blues, rock, funk, and reggae guitar, utilized by guitar greats such as Jimi Hendrix, Eric Clapton, Bob Marley, and many more. But what is this pedal actually doing to your sound? To answer that, let's go back to the pedal's origins. The engineers of the wah pedal actually sought to emulate the sound of 1920s trumpet and trombone players playing with mutes. They would move their mutes in and out of the bells of their instruments as they played, and different frequencies were filtered out of their sound, creating an effect that mimicked the human voice, giving the characteristic wah-wah or crybaby effect. The wah pedal is basically an electronic simulation of that same effect. The pedal boosts a specific range of frequencies, aka a frequency band, within your whole signal, and adjusts the center frequency of that band based on the position of the foot pedal. When you rock your foot forward, you boost a higher band of frequencies. When you rock your foot backward, you boost a lower band. Let's check it out. In addition to the center frequency, some wah pedals let you adjust another parameter known as the Q. A high Q value means a sharper spike for your boosted band and a more aggressive wah-wah tone, while a lower Q means a gentler slope, making your wah pedal behave more like a volume pedal. You should now have a pretty clear understanding on how your wah pedal is affecting your guitar signal. If you're interested on how the specific electronic components within the pedal are working, check out our video on building basic filters.